Good day, friends. This is Tony of IGW-3AS, a professional manufacturer and supplier of CNC machines. Today, I'd like to introduce one popular and hot-sale CNC router 1.3 by 2.5 machine to you. Based on its middle working area and heavy-duty model, it can be widely used for 2D, 3D, woodworking, advertising, mold making, etc. Let's see. Only one spindle. We also call it single-head CNC router machine, and we use famous brand Chinese HQD or Italy HSD brand. Very powerful and good quality. And then we use Taiwan or PMI guide rail, Taiwan TBI boss screw, high accuracy helical rack and gear to guarantee the whole machine's high accuracy, stable moving, and long use life. Then for the work table, this one with vacuum work table. Now let's see. We can move it easy. Now open the vacuum pump. And then open. So the vacuum pump can absorb the MDF board or acrylic automatically. Hard to move. And then we can use the clamps to fix various kinds of material. In addition, one of the most important parts, country cabinet, equipped with famous Beijing Rich Auto DSP control system with USB port, can support DXF field and English language, easy to operate and flexible operation position. Use brand and quality parts for whole machine. Let's see it working. Thanks for your time. For more information, welcome to visit our website or go our Alibaba shop, AliExpress shop. Order online, get 100% assurance in payment and machine quality. Thank you.